Wow, Xiang Yan know that uncle long time never eat bird nest. Send me one white fungus bird nest. Woohoo! Let's open it. The box so nice, perfect to buy as a gift. The moment you're waiting for is coming out. Coming out. Coming out. Woohoo! Wow! Inside got 3 big bottles of bird nest. Woohoo! The ingredient bird nest and white fungus 28%, rock sugar solution 72%. Woohoo! I heard that bird nest can help me boost my immune system and make me 眼倒啊. And the expiry date quite far 2024. Wow, one thing I found out that it is also halal. Oh my god. Cannot wait to drink it. I put in the fridge first. Y'all faster go to my TikTok shop and buy. Very cheap only for new buyer. New buyer is $7.50 only. Faster. Make you sweet and 眼倒啊.